Hi, this is Gary from Goldseal, and this is the Origin residential door, or one of the range. This one is in black grey with the stainless steel Happy straight handle and the automatic locking system. It's a C001 and it has the low threshold, the satin glass and an automatic locking system, which is very simply operated by a key. One turn undoes the deadlock, and then the last turn undoes the locks and lets you in. There are 4 locks along with the deadlock as well, so very high security but very simple to operate. It has the low threshold option, which you see there, and the satin glass in the windows. When you close the door, you simply pull it to, it'll click close, and then you deadlock it and off you go. There's your security, and what a stunning look to your home. Just remember that the front door is the first and the last thing that people see when they come to your house. So make a statement and install an Origin door by Goldseal.